Welcome to this LITE 360 LITE license tutorial. By now you should have downloaded the LITE 360 app on your mobile phone, received an email login and created a password. Once logged in, you will land on the Sales News page. Sales News is created by the manager user in your LITE community. Here you can scroll and click on the news to receive any updates or incentives. The notifications bar is across the top. This reports activity on the leads you create only. By selecting the middle button, you access the pipeline feature. My Pipeline displays your key performance indicators as a lead generator. The green box in the top right displays your points. You receive points for posting leads, having your leads accepted by the sales manager, and for every lead you post that becomes a customer. Leads Total displays the total amount of leads in your pipeline. Hit rate calculates closed leads only, won versus lost. Handshake displays how many leads were accepted by the manager. Under your KPIs, you see the ongoing sales section. Select the arrow to open this up. Here, all your leads are displayed in their different stages. You can use the filter function for ease of viewing. Contacts are automatically created for every lead you post. The most important feature is Capture New Lead. You can see the blue button center screen. Also notice the plus sign on the top right of every page. Both will open up the Create New Lead option. Enter a description of your lead in the lead title. Enter the company name and contact person details. You can also utilize our photo feature by capturing helpful information like business cards, delivery packages, or delivery access. Use the notes for anything else and hit the handshake to send your lead. Now this lead is waiting for your manager to review, accept and assign. The More button on the right opens up your personal information, where you can update your profile and add your photo. Now you're all set, it's time to capture conversations and post hot leads. For more videos and information, please check out LITE360.com.